So what? Not birds?
I just don't like them. Like, look at this one here. Oh, they're so ugly and they're so weird.
Birds aren't in here.
I don't know, they swoop and shit. I don't like them. I hate plovers and I hate magpies. And pigeons, well, they make annoying noises. And I've learnt since being here that they swoop close to people's faces. Yes.
What have you seen on swoop?
They've come close to a lot of people, including us.
Why did it come close to us?
They have.
You just like watching them?
Yes, because I don't like them.
David. He didn't know his name. His name's David.
Oh my god, see?
He just took off.